Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our friendly English learning channel. Before we start today's episode, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. It helps us a lot, and it makes our little podcast grow bigger and happier.
Yes, guys, hit that like button, subscribe, and share the video everywhere. Share it with your friends, your cousins, your neighbors, your cat, everyone. And welcome to another fun conversation where we help you learn real English using real daily topics.
Exactly. This channel is all about real conversations, natural expressions, and everyday English. We don't want boring lessons. We want something fun and useful, something you can listen to and enjoy.
And today's topic is one of my favorites, hobbies. Something we all have, something we all love, and something that makes life more colorful.
Yes, hobbies are like our personal escape, our happy place. And today, we're going to talk about our hobbies and why they matter. And maybe we'll help you discover your next hobby too.
So let's start. John, what's your favorite hobby?
Well, my favorite hobby is playing guitar. I love guitar so much. When I play, I feel relaxed, calm, and happy. It's like all the stress goes away.
Aw, that's nice. How long have you been playing?
Maybe 6 years? But let me be honest, my first year didn't count because I only played 2 chords and thought I was a rock star.
That sounds like you.
I know, but slowly I got better. Now I can play many songs. Not perfectly, but well enough to make myself happy.
And that's the best part about hobbies. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to enjoy it.
Exactly. What about you, Lara? What hobby is your number one?
Reading. Definitely reading. I can read for hours and never get bored. Books are like little worlds I can visit anytime.
That's beautiful. And you always smell the books before you read them.
Stop exposing me.
No, seriously. Lara opens the book and takes a deep breath like, paper.
Okay, it's true. I love the smell of books. Old books, new books, every book has its own smell.
And she's proud of it.
Very proud.
So how many books do you read per month?
Maybe 4 or 5, sometimes more if I have free time.
That's impressive. I read 1 book every 5 months.
At least you try.
I try my best, but reading is really a great hobby. It helps with imagination, vocabulary, and focus.
Yes, and it's also relaxing. When I read, I forget everything else.
Same feeling I get from guitar.
See? Different hobbies, same feeling of happiness.
Speaking of hobbies, do you remember when you tried knitting?
Oh no, don't talk about that disaster.
I have to talk about it. Guys, one day Lara decided to knit a scarf. A simple scarf. Easy, right?
That's what the tutorial said.
And somehow she created, I don't even know how to describe it.
It was a scarf.
It looked like a potato with arms.
Okay, fine. It wasn't perfect.
Wasn't perfect? Lara, it had holes in places that should not have holes.
I was learning.
And she was so proud. She showed it to me like, look, John, my first scarf.
And you laughed for 10 minutes straight.
I did, but it was a beautiful moment.
Well, I'm not knitting again.
Please do. The world needs more potato scarves.
Don't start.
Okay, moving on.
What other hobbies do you enjoy?
Photography. I'm not super good, but I like taking pictures of nature. Trees, sunsets, rivers. I like capturing beautiful moments.
That's nice. And your photos are actually pretty good.
Thank you. I think photography teaches you to notice small things.
Yes, when you take photos, you start seeing colors, shadows, and shapes you didn't notice before.
Totally. What about you? Any hobby besides reading?
I also like cooking. Not everyday cooking, fun cooking, baking cookies, trying new recipes, making weird desserts.
Your cookies are dangerous.
Dangerous?
Yes, because when I eat one, I want 20 more.
That's a compliment.
It is. You're a great baker.
Thank you. Cooking is fun because it's creative. You mix things, you try things, and you get to eat the result.
Unless you burn it.
Excuse me?
I'm just saying.
I burned 1 cake in my life.
2.
1.5.
Fine.
Do you think everyone should have a hobby?
Yes, absolutely. Hobbies give us something to enjoy after a long day. They make life more fun.
And they help with stress.
And confidence. When you get better at a hobby, you feel proud.
And hobbies also help you learn new skills.
Yes, even simple hobbies like walking or gardening can teach patience and focus.
And it's important to choose hobbies you truly enjoy, not hobbies that look cool.
Definitely. Some people force themselves to follow trends.
Like learning skateboarding just because everyone on social media is doing it.
Yes, but if you don't enjoy it, what's the point?
Exactly. A hobby should make your heart happy.
Beautifully said.
Thank you.
Do you think it's important to try new hobbies?
Yes, life is too big to stay in one corner. Sometimes trying something new teaches you something about yourself.
Like when I tried painting.
Oh, yes.
It was the most confusing afternoon of my life.
The sun looked like a potato.
What's with you and potatoes today?
I'm hungry.
Anyway, even though I was bad, it was fun. Trying new things is fun.
And you never know, you might find your hidden talent.
Or you might just laugh at yourself.
Both are good.
True.
What hobby would you recommend to beginners?
Something simple, like drawing, reading, walking, listening to music, taking photos, puzzles, baking, journaling, or learning a new language.
Yes, and speaking of language, listening to podcasts like this is an amazing habit.
That's right. Listening to English regularly helps your brain get used to real conversation.
And we try to make these conversations fun and natural so you learn without feeling bored.
And without feeling like you're studying.
Exactly.
Now, Lara, I have a question. Do you think hobbies can become jobs?
Yes, many people turn hobbies into careers. Writers, artists, photographers, cooks, musicians. But not every hobby needs to become a job.
True. Sometimes turning a hobby into work makes it stressful.
Yes, I prefer keeping reading as a hobby.
And I prefer keeping guitar as a hobby too. But who knows, maybe one day I'll release a music album.
Please call it potato scarf.
I knew you'd say that. I think hobbies make people more interesting.
Yes, knowing what someone loves tells you so much about them.
And it makes conversations easier.
And friendships stronger.
Okay, final question. How can someone find a new hobby?
Try anything that catches your curiosity. Try reading a short book. Try walking in a park. Try cooking something new. Try drawing, even if you draw like a potato.
Stop attacking potatoes.
Never.
But yes, I agree. Start small. One step, 5 minutes.
And be patient. Hobbies take time to grow.
And don't compare yourself to others.
Yes, your hobby is yours. No pressure.
Well said.
Thank you.
To everyone listening, we want to know your hobbies. Write them in the comments. We read all your messages.
Yes, tell us your favorite hobby or a hobby you want to try. Maybe you'll inspire someone.
And remember, this channel is here to help you learn English through real, natural conversations.
Everyday English, real life English, fun English.
So don't forget to like the video
Subscribe to the channel
and share it with your friends, family.
and your houseplants.
Lara!
I had to.
Anyway, thank you all for listening.
We love you guys.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye-bye.